All right. Welcomes, and welcomes. Yeah, this is the last part for the series of how do you create a content strategy plan for Asana's project management solution, right? Using the content clustering strategy or content clustering content creation plan. So, in the first part, I spoke about finding the problem that your B2B brand is solving, right? Uh, then the second part, we spoke about the content pillar, building content pillars of content and digestibles. Digestibles are like all those like small social media content, like LinkedIn, like when you break down your content into smaller parts to promote them, that is digestibles. And you promote it when you promote them, that is like content marketing. And that's like another whole strategy on its own. But this is just focused on this on the research, doing the research and aligning your solutions to the current problems so that your content is relevant on Google, constantly solving problems in project management. This is just a lot to Asana. I just cherry picked any B2B brand to use um, for this lesson. I could do it for another a different B2B brand or solution or service provider. So it's not just for only project management solutions. Okay. So yeah, and I said the goal of this first two step to create is to serve human first before Google crawlers. Yes. So now we are going to this. I promise we'll do this next. So this is our step 3. Mm, yeah, first step 3. Okay, now we can remove this as I have made my promise. Okay, so step 3, design your content plan using TOFU, BOFU, MOFU, right? So what are these abbreviations? Top of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, and middle of the funnel. Actually, this middle is meant to be here because middle comes before the bottom, but we'll get there. So now the first part, it was aligning the problem and solution. This is content research, and the second part is going to be about content execution, right? Yeah, design your content plan. Now this is it. This is second part. Part 2. Oops. Yeah, part 2. We will call this content execution. All right, so we are executing our content here. These are the strategies. Use TOFU, MOFU, and BOFU system for each content pillar using cloud. Why do I use cloud? I use cloud for content ideation. It's a very good AI tool for content ideation, right? So the first part, I use Perplexity to do the research, finding the problems. The second part, I use ChatGPT to actually connect the dots and arrange the solutions together and align them. So I'm using cloud now to ideate content for each of these content system that will help in your content marketing plan in general. So as we have been focusing on project management, so this is just tailored to Asana project management solution. So yeah, then perform keyword difficulty research on each pillar page keyword using SEMrush to know what approach to take for your content structure. So yeah, I in my last video I mentioned that I cherry picked some content, some keywords from here. These are the keywords I'm talking about. From these are your content pillar pages, one, two, three. So I cherry picked some keywords from here, and I checked for the keyword difficulty on SEMrush, and there were more possibilities than impossibilities when ranking for, if you want to rank for this, right? So you want to rank for project management on Google. So yeah, then use Answer the Public to optimize for zero click search. Zero click search is all those people also ask AI features, like AI overview. When you search something and you see that AI overview that breaks down everything and links to content, that is, you know, zero click search. People also ask, a section is also zero click search. Uh, so your content will actually be answering questions, answering questions and still be insightful at the same time and engaging, answering questions. So you answer the public. Now you create a ultimate pillar with your broad keyword in the title. For example, the ultimate goal. Okay, yeah. So now this is like the final step. After you have created all the content for all your three pillar pages, right? This one, two, three. Then you now do a final pillar page. That is the last one to and link them to top these three pillar pages. So that means that one now will be like the ultimate guide for project management in so year. So that page, what you'll be doing, you continue to edit, update the ultimate pillar page to maintain your relevance on Google's SERP, that is search engine result page. That's the first page, and then make sure you link properly to each. Oh, I wrote easy. Uh, to each content. Yeah, make sure you link properly to each content. Yes, that is going to help Google crawling bots to crawl through your content pillars and your content efficiently and know the context of what you are trying to rank for. Instead of just putting keywords, instead of just throwing keywords up and down and writing content without a plan, you just link them properly, each content, and help Google crawlers rank your page on its SERP page. Okay, let's continue, please. Uh, this is how you tell a story with your brand content and offer solution that resonates with your audience. Yes, after this content design is how you tell your brand story, because you integrate customer reviews. You prove to your potential audience that you are the right solution while trying to rank on Google. So it's like you're killing multiple bets with just one stone, which is just the content pillar page, that the ultimate content pillar page, or your content pillars with your digestibles and your sub content pillars, everything working together as one system to attract potential clients and prove that you are an authority in this niche or industry or topic or subject. And is a way of telling a story, the brand story, and also offering solution that resonates with your audience. So is this is the goal here. I'll just call it, this is the goal actually. Here's the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal. Ultimate goal. We we d'accord. TOFU, MOFU, BOFU content system for project management pillars.